I'm picking the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 100. I'm not taking from 1 to 100. I'm picking only those 2-digit numbers. So do you have any idea who are the 2-digit numbers from 1 to 100? That's simple. 10 to 99. Many people have removed the first 9 numbers and they wrote here 91 and they got the answer as Agra. Understood why some people are wrong? It's not 91, sir. 90. Denominator is 90. So tell me, how many numbers are there from 10 to 99? From 10 to 99, guys, there are 100 numbers. No. There are 91 numbers. No. There are 90 numbers. Some people forgot that. They left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, 9 they deleted, but they forgot to delete 100 also. In this category, 100 is a 3-digit number. Understood where some people might have mistake? Yeah, the people who got the answer, 100% they did not recognize that 100 number. बस सर ने बोला है यहाँ पर first 9 numbers, same copycat you have done. Are you understanding everybody? Let's move now. So denominator is not 91, denominator is 90. That's good. So tell me students, are you picking from here? No. Are you picking from here? Yes, you are picking from here. So in this yellow color, what's the probability that the number is not divisible by 7? What do I know not divisible by 7? First I'll check divisible by 7. Let me check divisible by 7. In 1 to 100, how many numbers are divisible by 7? If you just try to see here, you'll get 14-point change. Guys, when you get 14-point change, remove the change. Don't take the change, but take this absolute number, that is 14. Definitely 100 is not divisible by 7, but you'll get 14-point change. Means 14 numbers, so pakka is divisible. Point change, you leave it. So in this category, 14 numbers are there. In this category also 14 numbers are there. You have to check it out now. Understanding what I mean to say? In these 1 to 100, there are 14 numbers. Do you think 10 to 99 also 14 numbers? No. Only 13 numbers. Here one less. Shall I tell you the reason why one less? Because in these 14 numbers, you remove one number, the number called 7. The 7 did not come here. So that 7 you are removing now. So there are 13 numbers are there. Following everybody? From this yellow color, you are picking some numbers. So 13 numbers are in your favorable. So this is yes, yes. I don't want yes, yes. I want no, not divisible. So this is the answer, 77 by 90. Understood? If 14 minus 1. Why minus 1, guys? Because that 14 have got one number, that is 7. But sir, why did you remove these 3 numbers from here, 3 numbers from here? Definitely. From 1 to 30, there are 3 number, 6 number, 9 number. These 3 numbers will not come in this category. Those single digits are 3 numbers. But guys, here single digits are how many numbers? Only one number, that is 7. Are you understanding what I mean to say? Hope everybody have understood. Answer is not Agra, answer is Bangalore. Is that fine? Chaliye. Now, some of the students are asking the question number 7. Some students, few students are asking, though it's an easy question, still some people are asking. Anyways, what is this? There are 30 balls, 1 to 30. I told tickets, I told numbers, Capgemini told balls. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. One ball is drawn at random. Only one ball you are picking at random. What is the probability that the number which is drawn on that ball is a multiple of either 4 or 7, either divisible by 5 or divisible by 7. Multiple of 5 means divisible by 5. 5, 10, 15 like that. Multiples. So in 30 numbers, how many numbers are divisible by 5, guys? 6 numbers. You know that. In 30, 1 to 30, the numbers which are divisible by 5 are 6 numbers. So, in this 1 to 30, how many numbers are divisible by 7? 4. 7, 14, 21, 28. Very silly question. 4 numbers. Plus divide by 30. So, minus. Do you think, guys, there is some common number? Yes. The common is LCM. The LCM of 5 and 7 is what? 35. But guys, you tell me, do you think 35 number is available in this 1 to 30? No, it's wrong. The limitation is only 1 to 30. The common number is lying outside 1 to 30, that is 35. You don't have 35. Guys, you don't have 35. So, the number of common numbers are 0. There is no such common number which is overlapping. So, answer is what? Upon 10 upon 30, that is 1/3. Answer is what? Bangalore. Are you understanding, guys? Is it fine? Yes, Shreyas. 77 by 89, it's not possible. It's 77 by 90, the previous question. Are you understanding, guys? I don't know why Priyank Agarwal says 4. Acha, she's asking what this 4. Okay, good. Are you understanding, everybody? Really good enough. So I have explained you picking of numbers. Okay, that's good. Let's try to increase the level of the questions. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, let's try to increase the level of the questions. We are still in probability only. We didn't even touch dices. We didn't even touch coins. We didn't even touch a lot of models. Are there pack of cards? We are in number probability only. Still in numbers, they might ask you picking two numbers. Till now, you are picking one ball is picked at random, or 2-digit number is picked at random. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Or 2-digit number, only single number you are picking, everybody here. Yes or no? Here also a number is a number means only single number. But guys, compulsory only one number you will pick always. And my chance, mera bus chale to I'll pick two numbers. Are you understanding, guys? So these kind of questions also you should have an idea about. Following, everybody? Let's try to talk about this thing, everybody. Okay, picking two numbers, not 2-digit number, guys. Picking two numbers. ये भी रहना जरूरी है. You should know how to pick two numbers. అర్థమవుతుందా? చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నానా? సరే, how to pick two numbers. Have some observation now in your brain. Sir, 4 numbers are there. I'm teaching you something which you are learning right now. It will be helpful for tomorrow. बोले तो क्या? Pack of cards. You understanding, everybody? Clear? Yes. Thank you, Sri Lakshmi. Thank you. Vilas says selection. Good. Sir, there are 4 bacha. Bacha number 1, bacha number 2, bacha number 3, bacha number 4. 4 bacha are there. How many bacha are there? 4. So, one number is picked at random. What's the probability? It's a prime number. One number is picked at random. What's the probability? It's a prime number. You all know that. You all know that. What is the denominator? The denominator is 4. You know numerator. How many prime numbers? Sir, 2 prime numbers. 2. But I will not tell the answer like this. Till now, I used to tell you like this. But this time, I'm not telling like this. Listen, everybody. On the board now. Sir, kya ho raha hai? Sir, let's see here. How many numbers are available? 4. How many numbers you are picking? 1. So the number of ways one number is picked from 4 numbers, 4C1. Ante. Acha, how many prime numbers are there? Guys, how many prime numbers are there? 2 prime numbers are there. How many prime numbers are there, guys? 2 prime numbers. I want how many ways you can pick a prime number or single prime number. Very simple. Yesterday only we know how many ways you can pick 1 point from 2 points or 3 points. You remember, everybody? So 2C1. That's it. This is the actual style of doing the question. But people say, sir, 2C1 is 2 only, na, sir? Yes. Sir, 4C1 is 4 only, na? Yes. Then why you are writing C1 and confusing us? Yes. I don't understand that. Following, everybody? If you understand these basics now, big questions will go into your brain like anything. Let's say to do, okay? Picking one number. What is this, guys? Picking one number. Okay? Now I'm going to pick you 2 numbers. Let's try to see 2 numbers, okay? So, how many numbers are available? 4. Total 4 numbers. How many numbers you are picking? 2 numbers are picked at random. Means randomly you are taking your hands and putting 2 numbers from that box. So, denominator is 4C1? No. Denominator is 4C2. The number of ways 2 numbers can be picked from the 4 numbers is 4C2. Just like Vilas told, it is selection. But what is 4C2, guys? 6. We have calculated. 4C2 is 4 into 3 permutation by repeated cases. 6. What's the denominator? 6. So what are the 6 cases? Yes, Pragati says something. That's good. Exactly, good, Pragati. But we have to make the students see that. So guys, what are the 6 cases? I'll tell you what are the 6 cases. In your hand, you may get 1, 2, or you may get a 1, 3, you may get 1, 4. Or when you pick, you may get 2, 3 in your hand, or you may get a 2, 4, or you may get 3, 4. Tell me, guys, who are this? Your favorable cases? No. Total 6 cases. The total 6 cases I'm writing. I'm not telling you, prime. I'm not telling you prime. I'm just telling you denominator. Denominator is 4C2. Total cases are 6 cases. The number of ways I can pick 2 numbers from 4 numbers is 4C2. 6 cases. In your hand, you may get 2, 1. You may get 1, 3. You may get, like 2, 3. But students, will you pick once again 4, 3? You already picked 3, 4. Will you pick 4, 3 also once again? No. Because this is selections, not arrangement. In arrangements, they are different. In arrangements, they are different. But in selections, they are same. Picking 3, 4 is same like picking 4, 3. So that's the reason these all cases are not taken into consideration. Following everybody? That's good. Following? Chaliye. This is a total. Now let's sort of go and catch about the numerator. What is the favorable? My yellow color is my favorable, sir. What do you want? Prime number. As a prime number are my yellow numbers. So what is the probability of getting 2 out of 2 primes? So you have to understand that. How many primes are available? Sir, 2 primes are available. How many primes you want? Sir, I want 2 primes. How many ways I can pick 2 primes from 2 numbers? So 2C2, sir. What's the value of 2C2? 1. What's the value of 2C2? 1. What is that one case or this case? This is the only case. This is not the 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 case. In these all 6 cases, both primes are only one case. That is 2 and 3. So answer is 1 by 6. Hope you're understanding. From scratch, I'm teaching you one small, taking the 4 numbers, because you will pick 2 cards, 3 cards. Many things you're going to do now. Understood, everybody. Are you understanding, everybody? Now, guys, I'm teaching you something little bit extra. Guys, my question is, 5 numbers are there. 5 numbers are there. 5 numbers are there. 2 numbers are picked at random. 5 numbers are there. Guys, 2 numbers are picked at random. Not picking 1 number. Out of 5 numbers, you are picking 2 numbers. Please tell me what is denominator. Guys, I am wasting my time to teach you the basics. Kya kare? Some students must understand these things. Bolo, what's the denominator, you tell me? 2 numbers are picked at random. Come on, guys. C2. Good. That's good. 5C2. You know what's the value of 5C2? 10. I will write down now. All the cases I'll write and show you. Listen, everybody. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, or kya hai? 2, 5. All these cases are there. Who is this? Numerator? No. Denominator? Yes. Total these things. So let me just try to ask you one simple question. What's the probability that both numbers you pick are prime numbers? What's the probability? The both numbers what you pick are prime numbers. So first you have to see how many prime numbers are available. 2 is there, 3 is 4 is not a prime, 5 is a prime. So let me just tell you guys how many prime numbers are available. 3 prime numbers are available. You want all the 3? No, I'm picking only 2. You tell me guys, how many ways I can pick 2? How many ways I can pick 2? Very simple. Sir, out of 3, you are picking 2. The number of ways is 3C2. You know what's the value of 3C2 in calculations? That is 3 numbers. What is that, guys? 3 numbers. You know what are the 3 numbers? I'll tell you the case also. First case, sir, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 5. That's it. That's it, guys. Like this we are supposed to do. Following everybody? I will change the question a little bit. You just try to check it out here. You just try to check it out here. Sir, it's not like that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10 numbers, 2 numbers are picked at random. 2 numbers are picked at random. What's the probability? Both are prime. Come on, guys. What's the probability? Both are primes. Come on. Can you get the answer now? Can you get the answer? Will you write down all and waste your time? Will you write down all this? Sir, it's not required. This I told you from basic to make you understand that these cases are there. But when you say 10C2, do you think 10C2 cases means 45 cases you will write down? No, you will not write down 45 cases. That's good, guys. 4450 cases are there. Shall I write down 44? Sir, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 100, 162, 182, 222, 223, 225. Arey sir, kaun likhega? Who will write down all these cases? But 100% 4450 cases will be there. 100% 100C2 cases will be there. I don't have time to write, but 100% these cases will be there. You should understand that. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. So this is the denominator, guys. 100C2 is denominator. I hope you know how to get the numerator. 100C2 is the denominator. I hope you know how to get the numerator. Numerator, many people are saying Prajakta and everybody Shreya and Shreyas. Everybody is saying, you know, Mahendra is saying, Pinvarsh is saying 50C2. People are saying 50C2. Why 50C2? Let me just try to show you everybody on the case. Yeah, after calculation, Shreyas is getting 49 by 198. Maybe ho sakta hai. I don't know about that calculations. Ho sakta hai. Following. That's good. Let's sort of move forward, everybody, guys. Let me show you. How many numbers are available? 100. How many ways you can pick 2 numbers from 100 numbers? 100C2. This is the denominator. Any 2 numbers. This. First and last, second and last, like this 100 numbers are there, the 100C2 ways. Are you understanding, guys? Is that clear to you? That's good. Now my question is, okay, numerator. What is numerator? Picking of an odd. Both should be odd. They should not be even. So let's know that in this 100 numbers, I just try to remove all the even numbers. So if you remove all the even numbers, how many numbers are even? 50. Remove all the 50. Look, total 100, remove half of the numbers. 50 are all odd numbers. In these 50 odd numbers, how many numbers you want odd? 1 odd, 2 odds, 2 odds. Either you may get 1 and 23, or you may get 5, 25, or you may get 7, 9 also like this, or you may get 53, 75, these two odd numbers, or you may get 57 and 79, or you may get 45 and 67, or you may get बहुत कर रहा हूँ ना 3, 25, or you may get 31, 53. नहीं है, उतना टाइम नहीं है. Simple, you can say 50C2. Following, everybody? So this is the way we are supposed to write down. Many cases are there, but my concept says 50C2 divided by 100C2. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Many cases are there. If you keep on writing, many cases are there, guys. Many cases are there. So we leave all the cases, but perfect answer is this answer. Hope you people have understood now. Yes or no? Picking off not 1 number, 2 numbers. Means somewhere they may ask you odds, evens, primes. But let's try to increase the level of the question. Let's try to see this question, guys. Same 1 to 100 only. Same 1 to 100. From the numbers 1 to 100, guys, he told you two numbers are picked at random. Two numbers are picked at random, guys. You know what is denominator? You know what is denominator? Same. 100 Babu C2. That you got it. Out of 100 numbers, two numbers are picked at random. 100 C2. What is the probability? Now the condition change, guys. You have to understand this condition. The condition is I don't want both as odds, both as even. Look that. What did he ask you? What's the probability that the sum of the numbers is always even? This is my condition. As somebody told, what is the condition? Sum of the numbers. Whenever you pick two numbers, add them. Add them. Are you understanding, everybody? Add them, and that sum should be what? Even. So being a BTech student, you should know whenever you pick two numbers and add two numbers, you must get what? You must get even. So that cases we are supposed to pick here. Following everybody? Yes or no? So let me show you that. This is the 100 C2, you all know that. Now let me take 1, 3. 1 plus 3, even. 1 plus 11, even. 21 plus 31, even. 63 plus 73, even. 89 plus 99, even. 7 plus 5, even. 3 plus 13, even. Means you should know this thing. So when is it possible, guys? When is it possible? Guys, please tell me. Denominator, you got it, 100 C2. I want the numerator. So whenever you odd plus odd is always even. Don't forget this basic. Whenever you add two odds, odd plus odd is always even. Means I want two odd numbers. If you pick two odds, denominator is the 100 C2. If you pick two odds, you will. Arey, Sonia is getting one more. ये क्या है सोनिया? ईश्वर plus ईश्वर is also ईश्वर. That's good. बोले तो even plus even is also even, na sir? Why you are not teaching me that? Yes. Either this or this. Two cases are there. Either two odds, नहीं तो, लेకపోతే, or else two even. Means you have to pick either two odd numbers, you will be satisfied the condition, or else you have to pick two even numbers. How to pick I show you, but these conditions you should learn. So tell me the guy's condition. 50 odds are there, 50 C2. Or means what? Plus 50 evens are there, 50 C2. That's it. So bolo, what's the answer, guys? Perfect. Are you understanding, guys? But just like, one girl have told Lakshmi, even plus even is even. That's true. But sir, what shall I do? Odd plus even? No, this will not satisfy. Sir, even plus odd? No, sir, that will also not satisfy. So the cases, what do you want is what? Either two odds or two evens, or either two odds you pick or two evens you pick, you are satisfied. Ardhamaitunda. Picking, I taught you picking. C2, C2, P2, P2, वो सब हो गया. But cases, you have to understand that. Are you understanding, Reshma? Yes, Reshma, your friend, I guess Madhavi have joined. Anyways, guys, let's try to move forward now. I'm happy that you all people have done this thing. Okay, these all animation, तो अभी जरूरत नहीं है अभी, do this 10 question. Do this, please, 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 please. I want always odd. Please, guys. Come on. You all know denominator. Denominator काफी easy है. It's a maska chaska. Denominator is very simple. 100 बच्चा. 3 numbers are picked at random. Denominator, you all know that. I want numerator also. Probability is nothing but favorable cases divided by total cases. Favorable cases divided by total cases. Lashika got 50C3 by 100C3. 100C3. You got it? Lakshmi is saying, sir, don't worry. I'll help you to get half of the answer she told. Okay, Sri Lakshmi. 50C3. Are you sure 50C3? How is it 50C3? Which 50 you are picking? Let me know. Product of three numbers should be odd. Odd into odd into odd is odd. Always. Don't forget that basics, which we have learned in school level. 1 into 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. If you change one number as even, look, suppose you change this first number as this thing. If you put this number as 2, it will become even. Bole to, none of the numbers should be even. All should be odd. Everybody should be odd. There is no even. All the three numbers should be odd if you want the product as odd. So you know that 50 odds are there. 3 odds you pick. That's it. Odd into odd into odd is only odd. Even if you drop one even here, zatak, the product will become even. It will not be odd now. It will be even. So you should not have any even in that. If you want all the odds, it should be always all the odds. Chaliye. Sonia and everybody, are you all understanding everybody? Is it clear? That's good. What happened? Many people are there. Vasundhara is there. Agarwal is there. Abhijit Sagar is there. Sohail is there. Kiran is there. Many people are there. Why you people are not answering? Are you just listening, guys? We want the answer. Are you just listening, guys? We want the answer also. Good. Ho sakta hai. I'm teaching from basics and you're not getting the doubts. Priya. Odd into odd is equal to odd na, Aishwarya Babu. Then take 2 odds number na, Aishwarya. You have forgot to check this one. Check this one. Check this one. I'm sorry, Aishwarya is answering to Vikram. Yeah. Vikram is having one small doubt, sir. What if 2 numbers are picked odd? Out of 100. Vikram, I've got a wonderful this thing. 2 numbers picked odd. You tell me, guys. Odd into odd, odd. Odd into even, even. Even into odd, odd, even. Even into even, even. Means if you want odd, both numbers should be odd. Same. 50C2 by 100C2. Are you understanding? Is it fine, Vikram? That's good. Pinverse is saying 50C2. That's what. So we have to know these things. Probability you know, how to pick 50C2, 50C3, all these things you know. But you should know these all cases. Then and there you can do it. So that's the reason we have learned. That's the reason we have learned picking 2 numbers also. But sir, why he will ask you only odd, odd, even, even? Is it the only one case? No. Let's change the question now. AMCAT question. Guys, this question was given in AMCAT. What is that, sir? From the numbers 1 to 20, 2 numbers are picked at random. So tell me denominator. 20C2. What's the denominator, guys? 20C2. But my question is not 2 numbers, guys. I'm changing the question. 3 numbers are picked at random. Simple. Denominator is 20C3. Denominator is 20C3. That's good. Following everybody. But my my favorable cases is different, guys. My favorable cases is different. What is my favorable cases? Sum is odd, sum is even, product is odd. No. What is this? What is the probability? The numbers are not consecutive. What are the three numbers you pick? From 1 to 20, from 1 to 20, what are the three numbers? 3, 5, 6. No, they are not consecutive. 4, 5, 6. Yes, they are consecutive. 1, 3, 9. No, they are not consecutive. 3, 2, 9. No, they are not consecutive. 3, 4, 5. Yes, they are consecutive. Like that, we are supposed to pick how many are consecutive, but question is not consecutive. When it's asking you not consecutive, guys, what will you do first? You will first pick consecutive. Three numbers are picked at random. What's the probability that the number is not consecutive? Guys, please do it. Please do this question. Denominator, I told you. You tell me numerator. Guys, please. Not consecutive. Sum is even, sum is odd. That is over. Product is odd. That is over. But case change now. Case is the three numbers should not be consecutive numbers. Chaliye, that's good. Vilas is saying something. Dheeraj is saying something. Anyways, I should teach you this simple question of probability, which is based on consecutive. Everybody on the screen, the AMCAT question. Everybody, look at the screen, as we don't have much time and you might not get it. Everybody on the screen now. Look on the screen, guys. In this strip, how many numbers are there in the given series? 20 numbers. You are supposed to pick three numbers. How many ways you can pick three numbers from this 20 numbers? 20 C3, you all know that. 10, 12, this thing you can pick, or 14, 15, 16 you can pick, or 5, 3, this thing you can pick, or 5, 6, 20 you can pick, 7, 4, 13 you can pick, or 3, 4, 6 you can pick. Like this, you can pick how many ways? You can pick 20 C3 ways. Total ways this is. Favorable, I'll tell you, don't worry. Favorable, I'll teach you just now. Guys, what is favorable? Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? What is favorable? Let me just try to show you what is favorable. Favorable is what? Getting a consecutive numbers. Getting a consecutive numbers. So guys, in this all 20 numbers, what are the consecutive cases we should know first? First case of consecutive. 1, 2, 3. Yes. First case, 1, 2, 3 is a basic consecutive number. These are the three. Are you understanding, guys? The next consecutive, 2, 3, 4. First case I told you. This is my second case, 2, 3, 4. Second case are over. Now, this is my third case, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. We keep counting. 4, 5, 6. Are you understanding, guys? Are you watching, everybody? I'm just trying to move 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 like this. I'm checking every case. Now, 5, 6, 7 or 6, 7, 8 or after 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9. If you keep on checking like this, 1, 2 case, third case, fourth case, fifth case, sixth case, seventh case, like this, you tell me what's the last case, guys? Last case is what? 17, 18, 19? No. The last case is 18, 19, 20. What's the last case, guys? 18, 19, 20. So if you keep on counting the case, first case, second case, third case, fourth case, the last case is 18, 19, 20. So how many sets are available to you? 1, 2, 3 is one set, 2, 3, 4 is another set. Like this, if you keep on checking, the last set is 18, 19, 20. So how many cases are available? 18 sets are available. These 18 sets are what sets? Consecutive. Following, everybody? What did he ask you here? No, not consecutive. Do 1 minus. That's it. You'll get the answer. This is consecutive. This is not consecutive. That's it. Are you understanding what I mean to say? There is no concept of P here. Prajakta, what you said that 20p3 by 20p3 is not possible, Prajakta. P will not even come in probability in this question. Hope you all people are getting now. Understanding, guys? What the first case, guys? What the first case? If you just try to check it out here, what's the first case? The first case is 1, 2, 3, then 2, 3, 4, then 3, 4, 5, like this. Like this. The last case is 18, 19, 20. 18 cases are there. Are you understanding, everybody? These are all the consecutive numbers. Have you all understood this? Say yes or no, please. AMCAT has given this kind of picking of 3. They should be not consecutive. Come on, guys. I would like to know whether you have understood this thing or not. You're sure. धीरज ने बोला you're sure. बंगाली में बोला धीरज. Are you sure, Shreya? Everybody have understood? That's good. Let's move forward now. Yeah. Come on, guys. Do this question, everybody. Very chota question. Jaldi karo. Very small question. Yeah, Rupam said 1 to 100. Rupam, I'll teach you 1 to 100. First, you check it out. This question, which is there on the screen right now. 2 numbers, guys, this time. Not 3 numbers. Only 2 numbers. 1 by 5. Viraj is getting 1 by 5. Yeah. What's the denominator, guys? 5C2 means 10 cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any 2 numbers you pick, 5C2, that is 10 cases. Okay. Do you think all the 10 out of 10 are consecutive? No. In this 10 out of 10 are not consecutive. 1, 2, first case. Or 2, 3, second case. Or 3, 4, third case. Or the last case is 4, 5. That's it. How many cases, guys? 4 cases. Not consecutive, no? Means, not consecutive means 3 by 5. That's it. Many people said 1 minus 4 by 5C2. Everybody got the correct answer. That's good. Moin Fatima. Yes, good. Interaction is very, very good. The more you interact, I'll understand that you're understanding or not. If you're not replying, I'll understand that you're not understanding. Understanding? Come on. 3 by 5, Lakshmi. That's true. Yes, one of the question was, one of the student was asking, sir, not 1 to 5, 1 to 100. Definitely denominator is 100C3. Suppose you pick 3 numbers. Last case, guys. First case 1, 2, 3. Second case 2, 3, 4. Next case 3, 4, 5. Next one 4, 5, 6. Last case is 98, 99 and 100. The student who have a doubt. So not 100 cases are there. Last case 98 cases are there. Just like the previous question. Just like the previous, last one is 18, 19, 20 now. The last case will be 98, 99, 100. Means how many sets? Not 18 sets, 98 sets. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, good enough. We have love to do this number probability. Definitely. We will waste our time in the taka dices, and everybody 2 dices are there, 3 dices are there. All these things are there. Definitely, we will do this